Good evening, and what a good evening it is. I'd like to welcome you all this evening and thank you for joining us for this fabulous concert. And a special welcome to Rabbi Adam Stein from Beth Israel and Rabbi Philip Gibbs from Har'el. Thank you so much for coming. My name is Joyce Cherry, and I have been given the pleasure and the honor of introducing the final two works of this magnificent concert, which includes the world premiere of Michael Isaacson's composition, Ashira, I Will Sing. The dedication reads, commissioned in celebration of the installation of Cantor Shani Cohen at Temple Shalom, Vancouver, British Columbia, October 2022. The text of this beautiful work is taken from Psalms and Isaiah. I will sing to the Lord all my life. I will sing praise to my God while I have my being. The Lord will save me. We will play songs on stringed instruments all the days of our lives in the house of the Lord. Composer Michael Isaacson is a man of many talents, having composed over 600 Jewish and secular works, including instrumental, vocal, and educational pieces. He has worked as a conductor, producer, author, and educator. Michael has been honored by the American Society of Jewish Music, Hebrew Union College, and the Jewish Theological Seminary as one of the 10 most influential living composers of Jewish music in our time. The final selection on this evening's program is by our beloved Joan Beckow, whose music Temple Shalom has become familiar with during the yearly sisterhood service. The choir has sung Oseh Shalom at every service, and it has been our good fortune to have had Joan singing in the choir with us during her later years. And to learn more about Joan Beckow and her music, please join us at the Joan Beckow Legacy Project on Sunday, November 13th at the Norman Rothstein Theater as part of the Chutzpah Festival. A spectacular concert and weekend like this can only be successful with the hard work of so many. Special thanks to our guests, Professor Joyce Rosenzweig, Cantor Josh Breitzer, Cantor Leanna Mendelson, and our guest of honor, our own, Cantor Shani Cohen. You don't know how happy I am to be able to say that. Our own. As always, our fabulous staff members, Marielle Solon and Naamat Elias, have been invaluable in bringing all the details together from A to Z. Kieran has provided the sound for the services, the concert, and for the streaming for the at-home viewing, and Levi Moskowitz has been in charge of the slides for the streaming. Bernie has taken care of the many setup needs for this weekend's events and for our culinary needs. And thanks again to the Cantor Search Committee and to Yoel Robin's Paradise, my co-chair, who worked tirelessly through the selection process, culminating in our decision to invite Cantor Cohen to join us at Temple Shalom. Our thanks to the sisterhood who provided that wonderful Oneg Shabbat last night, and to the Men's Club for their generous financial contribution. And Todah Rabbah to the wonderful committee who brought this weekend to fruition: Rabbi Dan, Alexis Rothschild, Billy Lockman, Danny Lee and her cohort Barbara Halpern for the decorating assistants, Sandy and Mark Rogan, Lila and David Halburn, and my wonderful co-chair, Gordon Cherry. He's more than my co-chair. Now, back to the music.